Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 61. Which tense describes a past habit or repeated action, often with used to or would? A. I play soccer every day. B. I used to play soccer every day when I was young. C. I am playing soccer every day. D. I will play soccer every day. Correct answer, I used to play soccer every day when I was young. Simple past tense with used to. Question number 62. Which tense is used to talk about immediate future plans or intentions, often decided at the moment of speaking? A. I am going to buy some groceries. B. I buy some groceries. C. I will buy some groceries. D. I bought some groceries. Correct answer, I am going to buy some groceries. Be going to future. Question number 63. Which tense is used for actions that have an effect on the present, but the action itself happened in the past? A. My car broke down. B. My car has broken down. So I can't drive it now. C. My car was breaking down. D. My car breaks down. Correct answer, my car has broken down. Present perfect tense. Question number 64. Which tense describes a future action that will be completed by a specific future deadline? A. By the end of the month, I complete this report. B. By the end of the month, I will complete this report. C. By the end of the month, I will have completed this report. D. By the end of the month, I am completing this report. Correct answer, by the end of the month, I will have completed this report. Future perfect tense. Question number 65. Which tense describes an action that was finished before a specific time in the past and is relevant to a later past event? A. When she arrived, he cooked dinner. B. When she arrived, he had cooked dinner. C. When she arrived, he was cooking dinner. D. When she arrives, he cooks dinner. Correct answer, when she arrived, he had cooked dinner. Past perfect tense. Question number 66. Which tense describes a repeated past action or habit with an emphasis on its negative or annoying aspect? A. He was always interrupting me. B. He always interrupted me. C. He always interrupts me. D. He will always interrupt me. Correct answer, he was always interrupting me. Past continuous tense, for annoying habits in the past. Question number 67. Which tense is used to describe a future event that is a direct result of a previous arrangement? A. We have a party next Saturday. B. We are having a party next Saturday. C. We will have a party next Saturday. D. We had a party last Saturday. Correct answer, we are having a party next Saturday. Present continuous tense for future arrangements. Question number 68. Which tense describes an action that was completed a long time ago and has no direct connection to the present? A. My grandparents lived in a small village. B. My grandparents have lived in a small village. C. My grandparents are living in a small village. D. My grandparents will live in a small village. Correct answer, my grandparents lived in a small village. Simple past tense. Question number 69. Which tense expresses a general intention or a less definite future plan for a longer period? A. I will travel the world. B. I am traveling the world. C. I travel the world. D. I traveled the world. Correct answer, I will travel the world. Simple future tense. Question number 70. Which tense is used when talking about life experiences without specifying when they happened? A. I saw that movie. B. I have seen that movie. C. I am seeing that movie. D. I will see that movie. Correct answer, I have seen that movie. Present perfect tense. Like, share and subscribe.